boys and girls? Miss Gorman here with Packet 6 Math. So this week's math has a little bit of multiplication, a little bit of division, a little bit of greater than, less than, equal to. So I'm going to show it to you a little bit here. So the first page you have in your math packet is a color by number. It says welcome to spring, and it is multiplication. So use your skills for multiplication. You can look up multiplication charts. You can use your multiplication chart if you have it, all sorts of stuff like that, and just color by number. After that, there is this page. It is greater than, less than, or equal to. Test your multiplication skills. So you're going to have to solve each side. So 6 times 3 is, I know that's 18, and then 4 times 4, I know is 16. So I would write the answer at the bottom, and then in the box you have to decide if it's greater than, less than, or equal to. I know it's not equal to because 18 is greater than 16, but I'm a little confused about the way it goes. So if you're confused, at school I have the big alligators, but I didn't grab those. So I made this. So this is greater than, and then this is less than. So let's see. And you can make them at home, or you can use mine. So I would just make sure that, remember that the alligator wants to eat the bigger number to be more full. So you can go through and test your multiplication skills. So if you want to, you can go through and do them one at a time, or you can answer them all and then go through and put in the symbols after. So 5 times 2, I know is 10. And then 7 times 1 is 7. So again, 10 is greater than 7. 5 times 5 is 25. And I know 6 times 4 is 24. And 25 is greater than 24. So you just go through, you answer the questions, the multiplication questions. You can put the answer right below, and then you decide if it's greater than, less than, or equal to. After that, they have this coloring exploration book. Go ahead and do that. I'm not going to explain it to you. It's just coloring, reading about different careers. And then they have this, picnicking signs. So it says, when multiplication and division signs are having a picnic. While they're gone, it's up to you to fill in the missing multiplication or division sign in each equation. So you need to look at the equation and decide if it is multiplication or division. So 8 blank 2 is 16. So I'm thinking about multiplication and division, and I know that 8 times 2 is 16. So I'd put that in there. 7 blank 9 is 63. So I need to think, and I could use my fingers. So I'm going to use my fingers. And I see that 7 times 9 is 63. So I'd put the multiplication sign. 40 blank 8 equals 5. So here's a trick. If you see the largest numbers up here, it's more than likely division. So 40 divided by 8 equals 5. And if I wanted to check my answer, I could go back and do these two. 5 times 8 equals 40. That is making a fact family. And remember, fact families are the same numbers, just in different spots with different operations. So you can go through and go through those. And then finally, there's this page. It's talking about the rows, the columns, and the blocks, and then writing the problem. So remember, rows go this way, and columns go this way. So what you need to do is you just need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. And then how many blocks are there? So this is an array. It's kind of an example of an array. And so I know that the problem is 5 times 7 And I know 5 times 7 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I know there are 35 blocks in the picture. If I'm not sure, I can go through and count, or I can know that 5 times 7 is 35. So for this one, rows go this way, columns go this way. There are 3 rows, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. All right, so how many blocks? So I know that the problem is going to be 3 times 4. 3 times 4. So there are 12 blocks because 3 times 4 is 12. So I want you to try this on your own and bring it to Friday's work session on Zoom. That is all for math this week. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I am here to help you. I hope our little guys helped you. I'm going to show them to you again. We got greater than and less than. Make sure that the alligator is eating the bigger number. I hope that you guys have an awesome week. I miss you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.